Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I've got a really great cheats floral design I want to share with you. This is when you're in a super serious hurry and you just want something to have at home or to give as a gift. This is what I do all the time. I've got lots of these urns. I really love this shape. I've talked about them lots of times, but I did a milk paint finish on this. Once you get into doing it, look, the world's your oyster. You can do lots of things, but this is how easy it is. Get your container, get a living plant, and I've got a lavender here. I'm just going to put that down into there. I've also got some wet foam, which I'm going to put down into and around on top of the soil, because once this is finished, you can take all the flowers out and you can actually plant this into the garden. Oops, I need to cut that in half. A little bit more needs to come off that there. I like it a bit deeper than that, but that will be fine for now. So just make sure that that's wedged quite firmly into there. I've got a couple of pieces of lamb's ear, which I'm just going to cut, and I'm going to put a piece into there. Now this is a bit floppy because I've just picked this. This is how much of a hurry I was. But if you pick this the day before, this will, and if it's standing nice and tall the next morning, you know that it's going to be fine to use. I've also got a few of the very first of my season. Oops, there's another bit of that. I'm going to use that. Put that down into there. Some of the first season hydrangeas. I'm just going to put one into that foam there, and then I'm going to bring one around to there, put that into there. That one there I want to be this one here just a little bit lower and that just a little bit higher. I've also got some feverfew, which I'm going to just push into there like so, little group of that into there, and then I'm going to bring a little bit more to over this side. Oh, look at that. Sweet. And to finish it off, how good is that? And then I've got one of those big fat succulents that I'm just going to push down and into there. My succulents come and go into all sorts of designs. And then if you don't have any other fresh flowers, what you can do is just put a little bit of something artificial into there. Look at that. How easy was that? And if you've got any of these little carnations, they could be sort of stuck into there like so. How quick is this? I love it. And I hate it when all of a sudden I get that phone call, or he has remembered that he has invited people for a coffee and there's no flowers. Imagine coming to a florist's house and there be no flowers. Honestly, this is not good at all. So just putting those into a little section, just push those down into there, and there you have it. If you wanted to, you could put some little blue cornflowers. They can go down into there like so. Look at that beautiful little picture. And I actually like it when you can have your design that is, oh look at that, I love it, that can be viewed from both sides. Quick and easy flowers. Let me see what we're looking like. Oh yeah, that's lovely. Very loose, very informal, flowers in a hurry. What could be better? And it took that long. Hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you. I've got lots more of these and variations that I'll share with you throughout the new series of Quick and Easy Flowers. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you again another day. Bye for now.